Hello students, my name is Yash Gupta and today we are in the lecture series of class 9th of the CBSE board with subject code 402. What is your subject code is 402, that is IT and ITES service. Okay, मतलब IT पेपर है, आपका नाम का पेपर क्या है, इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी नाम का पेपर है and we have to study about this and this is your lecture 2. I am teacher at Army Public School and this video lecture series for class 9. This is my pick. Let's start. This is lecture 2 and we are discussing IT and ITES services in India and what kind of service of IT provide to us. So let's start. Before I start, you guys think that the world is going through a crisis, that coronavirus, that the COVID-19 is affected whole of the world and online teachers just wanted to teach you, no? They just you just guys think that, but it's not same. We are also in part of this world and we know what the hell is going on in our life, in our world, but on the spite of it, we can't wait. We can't just wait. Okay, why we can't wait? If we wait for tomorrow, then we will get less time, more less time to teach you, and when we have less time to teach you, then we will not able to deliver you what you deserve. Okay, if you deserve a good education, if you deserve a good education, so we will want to be able to provide you that good education, that good knowledge. Why? This is because we will not have a proper time. We will not have proper time, and when we have not a proper time, then we have to complete the course because the course is same. We have to complete the course in a less time. This course contain your 10 months course, and we have to complete this 10-month course in 6 months. Then what we will do? We will obviously decrease our quality. We will give you less time. We have to complete this syllabus, so we will complete this course of syllabus rapidly and you won't be able to understand. So we are not like this. We are not tension free. We are intention about you. We are tension that we will give our best. So we are efforting a lot for you. Even this video is recording at the 2:30 a.m. So you know I am wasting my whole of the night making your videos so that you will able to watch this video at the right time at right place. Okay, let's start. This is lecture 2 and we was in the chapter 1 introduction to IT and IT enabled services industry. Let's start. Okay. So as we have discussed about the BPO service, now we will have to study about the BPM industry in India. So the IT BPM in business process management industry has been has been fueling India's growth. In addition to contributing towards the country's GDP and exports, the growth of IT BPM industry has provided India for a wide range of economic and social benefit, which includes creating employment, rising in income levels, and promoting एक्सपोर्ट्स मीन्स डैट क्या है, ये आईटी बीपीएम जो है हम लोग का बिजनेस प्रोसेस मैनेजमेंट है, इसने हमें क्या दिया है, इसने हमारे इंडिया को प्रॉपरली एक ग्रोथ दी है। क्या दिया बेटा, एक प्रॉपरली ग्रोथ दिया है, और ना केवल ग्रोथ दी है बल्कि क्या दिया आपकी कंपनी को, आपके इंडिया को उसने ये भी दिया है कि आप अपने इंडिया की जो जीडीपी है यानी ग्रॉस डोमेस्टिक प्रोडक्शन है उसको क्या क्या इंक्रीज किया है। सो कमेंट करिए, जिसको जीडीपी के बारे में नहीं पता है उसको बताया जाएगा क्योंकि इसकी एक सेपरेट वीडियो आपके पास आने वाली है। जीडीपी के बारे में क्या होती है जीडीपी, इंडिया की जीडीपी कितनी है, घटने बढ़ने से क्या सेंस होता है, इन सब के बारे में आपको कंप्लीट वीडियो सीरीज आपको मतलब कंप्लीट वीडियो आपको मिल जाएगी बहुत जल्द इस वीडियो के चैनल पे। ओके, डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब इफ यू वांटेड टू नो। ओके, चलिए। ओके, सो हियर इज अ कैट हु इज just making some sound. Okay, now, so by this BPM service we can also increase our employment, our income levels, and promoting exports. Okay, it has placed India in on the world map with an image of technologically advanced and knowledge based economy. As I told you earlier, इंडिया के बंदों की हर जगह डिमांड है। इंडियाज persons who are the IT specialists are demands everywhere. As I told you earlier, like Google, CEO of Google is an Indian. Okay, the CEO of Adobe is an Indian, okay, and Mastercard and many more. So the company that you listen daily life that are the part of your daily life is the part of is the run by actually run by a Indian man. So this is very good for our country. This sector attracts among the largest investment by venture capital and has been created enabling the entrepreneurship of many companies. Okay, now it's clear to you. What is IT BPM? The IT BPM industry has most doubled in the terms of revenue and contribution India's GDP power that the last decade. Okay, last decade में क्या हुआ इस 10 सालों में इसने अपनी जो GDP थी इसमें उसने डबल कर दिया. ऐसा क्या इस इंडस्ट्री ने किया चलिए जानते हैं. BPO service industry is doing uh, ex- exceptionally well in India because of the following advantage. First, BPO service providers in India invest in high-tech hardware and software to deliver the best service. They follow quality checks to ensure error-free and ex- uh, expansional service. तो क्या होता है हम क्या करते हैं we will check our software and hardware that we use high tech software and hardware so that we can deliver your best service. Okay, Government of India is ensuring the BPO industry in India by providing necessary infrastructure and logistical support. Means that government of India is also encouraging that BPO because India is also earning money from BPO. So Indian government is also enabling that encouraging that BPO services by providing necessary infrastructure and logistical support to the BPO industry. BPO industry in India is the highly developed and capable of delivering numerous type of BPO service in in exceptional quality. Okay, now what's the structure of IT BPM industry? The organization with the IT BPM industry are categorized along with the following parameters. Sector the organization is serving. किस sector को this organization is serve? Which section? Which sector of your society? Type as well as range of offering the organization provides. Whatever it provides, then the offering of this. Geographic spread of operation, how many land area it covers, and revenues and size of operations. A. Multinational companies MNCs. MNCs have their headquarters outside India but operate in multiple locations worldwide, including those in India. They create the external client, both domestic and global. Okay. Indian service provider ISP. Indian service providers started with their operations in India. Most of these organizations have their headquarters in India while having offices in many international locations. While most have a client base which is global as well as domestic, there are some that have focused on serving only the Indian client. Okay. Global In-House Centers (GIC). GIC organization cater to the need of their parent company only and not serve external client. Some companies are like that serves only their parental company only. Okay. This model allows the organization to the option to keep IT operations in-house and at the same time take advantage of expanding their global footprint and offering opportunity for innovation of a cost-effective IT manner. I think there's not any kind of problem with it. Now IT applications. In technologically developed nations, IT has become a part of everyday life as we have. For a user, computer is tool that provides the desire. Just a second. That provide the desire. Where it is desired information whenever needed. The use of the computer information technology can be observed at home. You can read from here to here by pause the video. It's simply simple, very simple. Now, IT in home computing. A personal computer PC is used to work at home, to do whole household work, accounts, play game, use email, create music, and pursue a range of other hobbies. PC is also used to play games. It includes action game, role-playing game, puzzles game, a play with a CD drive, sound card, speaker, CDA. You know about it, okay? Now, in daily life, where washing machine, microwave, oven, okay? Embedded software. What is the meaning of embedded software? Embedded software means some kind of software that is embedded with it. Whenever you turn on your whenever you turn on your TV, whenever you turn on your TV, there's name of company name, and whenever you increase the volume, then it shows some increasing volume sign. So which you see is by enabled embedded software. Operation appointments, schedules, and list of contacts in computer. Okay. Yeah, obviously. Now, IT in library. I will not speak everything. You have to study by yourself. Okay. Barcode. What is barcode? Now, barcode is like something like that. This type of strip having a unique number here. Okay. IT workplace. Cool. Next, IT in education. ठीक है. आप इसी का यूज कर रहे हो इस समय. जैसे मैं आपको पढ़ा रहा हूँ, इसलिए मैं भी कुछ सॉफ्टवेयर यूज कर रहा हूँ, विच इज़ अ टूल. Now, ICT in classroom. What is ICT? E-learning classrooms, smart board, okay, videos, explanation, experiments, and creation of an image and videos, desktop publishing, magazines, and these things. Okay, you used to use these key things. This is very common. Okay, clear. Read it by yourself. It's very clear. I don't know why I'm teaching to you. There is not any kind of to teach you. Actually, explain you, not teach. There's explain. Cool. As you used to you in your daily life. You know very well video conferencing, and if you have any kind of problem, then you will ask me. Email, chatting, file transfer. पेरोल कैलकुलेशन कर सकते हैं, बजट बना सकते हैं, सेल्स एनालिसिस ये सब कर सकते हैं। ई कॉमर्स आप जानते ही हो, अमेजॉन वही ई कॉमर्स आपका। अमेजॉन क्या है, ई कॉमर्स टाइप की वेबसाइट है, ठीक। क्या होता है, ऑनलाइन सारा काम होता है इसमें। ओके, वेरी गुड। Computer aided design and computer aided manufacturing, CAD CAM. CAD CAM is used to make any kind of preparation. Okay. Scientists and engineering uses the computer for performance complex scientific calculation. CAD and CAM application are used for drawing, designing, and for simulating and testing the design. The computer uses the storing the amount of data and the computer. Suppose that you have to make a flyover. You have to make a flyover. So before you making it, actually you will use this CAD CAM for design of the live 3D project of this flyover, and it will let you know how to design this flyover 3D object. IT in banking. NTGS and RTGS and NTFS. Now I don't know, whenever this book was printed, then the BHIM wide interface of money and UPI United Payment Interface was not introduced. So what is this United? It's U, not V. United Interface, United Payment Interface, so by which you can transfer money to any bank account at any time. IT in insurance, IT in marketing, IT in healthcare, you have to study it by yourself. That's very easy. You know CAT, you know MRI, very simple. ECG, cardiac screening machine, EEG, blood pressure testing machine, obviously. Okay, I don't think so. Now is you will have question and answer. Now homework. First, read read chapter 1. Okay. Second, right, can I read, can I have chapter 1? And second, explain explain 5 use of ICT in our daily life. Okay. Explain 5 use of ICT in our daily life. Okay, you have this 2 of question in your homework. Okay, now check your progress. You have to do these things. This is your assignment. This short answer question are assignment. I will not tell you the answer, you have to just do it by yourself. This is your assignment. So So thanks for watching this video. Like and share if you want, because maybe possible you are not enjoying this video. Why you are not enjoying this video? Because this is very boring. This is very boring. Why? Because these term you know very well. You know very well video conferencing. You know very well in use of computer in our society. You know very well use of computer in your in your bank, in your offices, in your hospital. So what should I tell you now? What should I tell you? I just have to complete your syllabus. I know you can read it and you can write all the answers. Okay, but that's why I'm just skipping this video very fast. And after that, when we study chapter 2, that is unit 2, is very good for you and you will enjoy from chapter 2. So like the video, please don't dislike. Maybe possible dislike, I don't know why, but you maybe dislike because I have not told you each and everything, because these things you know very well, better you know very well. You can do the answers directly without the reading the chapter, but I will say you must read chapter at least once. Okay, like subscribe my channel, and if you want, if you see my effort, then you subscribe it. And thank you so much. We will meet in next video. Now it's time for asking the question. You can ask me question at this time. Okay, thank you. Stay home, stay safe.